All right, so here we are at the Flying Club, and we got the FMS PA-18 Super Cub out again, 1.7 metre wingspan this, and Jay is going to help our youngest team member, Finn, fly it for the first time. Sorry?
I just flew it and it was great.
Yeah, you enjoyed it, didn't you?
I did, yeah. I thought it was really good fun. And you flew it as well, and you thought it was great.
I do. It's amazing, actually. You bring some of the simplest models to the flying field, and they're more fun than the more complex jets and stuff that we fly.
Absolutely. I mean, it really is a great model to fly around, and, you know, it does everything as well, doesn't it? I mean, even knife edges.
Yeah,
So,
it does that. It does. So we're going to...
The only thing I'd change is the wheels. They're quite firm.
They are.
Yeah.
I thought they were inflatable, but they're not. They're quite hard foam.
So would be nicer if they had. You could change them quite easily though. So.
It could, if you wanted to, yeah.
But if you want to really do the short landings, squidgier wheels would be better.
So Finn is going to give it a go and see if he likes it. All right, Finn, over to you. It's on high rates, and you can. And Jay will help you play around with the flaps as well, because they have quite a large effect, don't they, on this?
They have a large effect, yeah. So when you put the flaps on, it will climb a lot.
Have you got that on the right switch? You know which switch for flaps, Finn?
Yep.
Oh, good man. All right, over to you then.
Should I taxi it out?
Yep.
Oh, okay, taking off. Oh, I see what you mean. God, this is awesome.
It's got plenty of power, Finn.
Oh, yeah, it does. This is awesome.
So get used to it, Finn. Have a fly around, and then Jay's going to help you understand how the flaps work, because you can't just bang them in at any speed. We found out.
Yeah, if you put them in when you're flying fast, it will almost do a loop, won't
Yeah.
it? Yeah. But you can fly around really slowly with half flap, and with full flap almost stop.
God, this is really cool.
If you do an approach on half flat, if you sort of wait till you slow down,
When half
then
flat.
half flat, and then do an approach, you know, like you can come and do a touch and go sort of thing.
Okay.
But it will fly nice and slow with half flat. But remember, full throttle will make it
Loop.
hard.
Yeah.
And then do your second one as full flat.
There you go. That's half flap, is it?
Yeah, that's half flat. So what you mean about looping?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do the same again. Slow it right down and put the full flap in.
Okay, that's quite slow. Get full flap.
So, and then get lower and come round and in.
Just this landing.
Yeah, you can land and then take off again. There's plenty of battery left.
Oh my god. This is awesome.
The flaps really slow it down, huh?
Yeah. There's full flaps again. This is so fun. should land.
Yeah, if you want to line up for landing now.
Okay, let's slow down. It's gonna be cool. Okay, landing. That was awesome.
Use the flaps. There you go.
Stop it there. Oh my god, that was awesome. Amazing plane to fly.
What did you like about that, Finn?
It flies really slow. Also, it's just a really fun plane to fly. It's a good break from all the 3D.
I think we've got very used to flying fast planes and enjoying those, but it is equal enjoyment out of flying something that can fly so slow. With those flaps make a huge difference to how it flies, and you can absorb the bumps when you land with those the sprung undercarriage.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
All right.
And, yeah, certainly one we can maybe try some glider towing with in the future.
Oh yeah, excellent idea. We've never done that, have we, on Essential RC? So we must give that a go. I've got a couple of gliders we could try that out with.
It would make a great tug, I think.
Yeah. So we just need a release mechanism on the glider end, don't we?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, we'll work on that.
Yeah.
Finn, thanks for that.
Yeah, thank you.
Glad you enjoyed that. That's the FMS PA-18 Super Carb 1.7m. Link is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks to Jay and Finn, and we'll be back soon.
See you next time.
See ya. This is so fun.